Hi everyone, hope you all are doing very well. So I have put in down one coding question which is very basics of everything. So basics of Java, which is if else, wherein we understand if and else how it works. So I have put in here wherein the integer mass will be 74 and then you have to check the following conditions. So when you have a multiple condition sense, so you'll be using if and else if conditional statement. So this is very basic when you have a multiple conditions to put in, and if somebody asks you that you have a multiple conditions, so for the basic thing what you can add it is in if and else if and then else. So this is how you can write it. And then when this question comes up that integer mass equals to 74, then you have a certain conditions like if mass is greater than equals to 61, that system dot out, then there will be grading system wherein it will print D. So if mass is greater than equals to 91, then it will be A, and mass is greater than equals to 81, B, and then mass greater than equals to 71, it's C, mass greater than equals to 61, it's D, greater than equals to 51, it's C. So my question was ki like mass is 74. So if you go to how many conditions are, first we will see what all conditions are saying is true. So now if first condition, so mass is greater than equals to 61, yes, so this condition will be correct. Okay, this condition is, I don't know, I do have anything to write it. I don't know, I think we can have a pen here. Okay, it's a toggle. Not sure. Okay, not sure. I've never used this one as an editor and a pen. Okay, fine. So this condition is true. Then mass is greater than equals to 91. No, it is not. It's 74. Then mass greater than equals to 81. Then this condition is also not satisfied. Then mass greater than equals to 71. Then this condition is true. Then will be printing C. Then mass greater than equals to 61. Then we'll be printing D. Mass greater than equals to 51. It will be E. Okay. So that's how it is. So it will be like C, D, E, N, E, and D, and again D. Let's make it F here, and then we have a D, C, F, E. Okay, these are the conditions which is satisfying the conditions. So how if else work? It is like insertion order, like first in first. Okay, so if the answer will be D, because once you get into the ladder, you will be like how it is the ladder, like imagine the ladder, how ladder it will be. So once you're like, there will be two what we can say, between two ladders, like between two sticks in a ladder, there is a space. So once you get it into that space, you will be like नीचे धड़ाम से नीचे गिर जाओगे. This is how it is like, right? So if you get into the ladder, you will be fall down. Okay, so that's how it is. So that's how the same works with if else. So once you get into any of the if, you will be out of the loop, you will be out of the condition. So only first condition will be satisfied. So let's run it and see. So if you see, it will be D. So that's how it is. You have to think beyond, like how if else works. So this is very basic concept of if else. We'll be having more topics coming in. You just guys so have to stay tuned, since I'm unwell since from 2 months, and I'm not keeping well, so I'm not making any videos. But I'll try to make as many as videos possible. And stay tuned to my shorts or in my community section. I'll be putting a lot of questions over there. Try to be participating in that multiple questions, because that will really help you out in your any of the written examinations, like any of the jobs you apply, they will be having some written. So in that written, those questions really help you out in clearing, because those are very basic questions and you should be knowing about that one. If not, then learn it, and maybe the topics which I'm putting it, you can go and search the relevant topic interview questions, and you'll be having a lot of exposure around that area. Because sometimes when you put in right multiple answers, so what happens is you might think that there will be like relevant answers, right? Like A, B, C, all three it seems to be answer, but any one of them is the answer, not all three. So that's when the confusion arises, when your topics are not, because you need to know the precise answer. So this will really help you in your precise answer, whatever questions I'm putting in. So yeah, stay tuned for my next video, guys. Bye.